Hello students, this video is about question and answers of Geography 2nd chapter Latitudes and Longitudes. Section A, multiple choice questions. In that first one, in needle fixed through the globe, so it has become globe here, it is globe in a tilted manner is called its pole, axis, prime meridian, equator. In a needle fixed through the globe in a tilted manner is called its axis. So the correct answer is option B, that is axis. Second question, the Tropic of Cancer is situated at an angular distance of, it is 23.5 degree north. So correct answer is option C, that is 23.5 degree north. The Tropic of Cancer is situated at an angular distance of 23.5 degree north. Third question, the standard meridian for India is, the standard meridian for India is 82 degree 30 minutes east. 82 degree 30 minutes east. Fourth question, the area which receives maximum heat is called torrid zone, frigid zone, temperate zone, north pole. Answer is option A, that is torrid zone. The area which receives maximum heat is called torrid zone. TORRID, torrid zone. Fifth question, the time shown by a watch gives the, is it standard time, local time, prime meridian time, American time? It is the standard time. Time shown by a watch gives the standard time. Standard time. Section B, fill in the blanks. In that first one, the earth dash at the equator, but at the poles it is slightly dash. The earth bulges. The earth bulges at the equator, but at the poles it is slightly flattened. Second one, the earth grid is a network of dash and dash. The earth grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. Earth grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and meridian of longitudes. Meridian of longitudes. Third one, the distance between two latitudes is dash and they are dash to each other. The distance between two latitudes is 111 kilometer. The distance between two latitudes is 111 kilometer and they are equidistant. They are equidistant to each other. Fourth one, the Tropic of Capricorn is situated in the dash hemisphere. The Tropic of Capricorn is situated in the southern hemisphere. Fifth one, the line of reference for locating places east or west is the dash. It is a prime meridian. The line of reference for locating places east or west is the prime meridian. Sixth one, the standard time of India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Section C, very short answer type questions. First question, what is a globe? What is a globe? Answer, a three-dimensional model of the earth is called globe. Second question, what is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? What is the latitudinal value of Tropic of Cancer? Answer, 23.5 degree north. Latitudinal value of Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. Third question, in which hemisphere is the Tropic of Capricorn situated? Answer, southern hemisphere. In southern hemisphere, the Tropic of Capricorn situated. Fourth question, what do you understand by international dateline? What do you understand by international dateline? Answer, international dateline, that is IDL, is taken as 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridian. It is located on the other side of 0 degree or prime meridian. There is a difference of 24 hours or a day when we cross international dateline. Fifth question, name the standard meridian for our country. That is longitude 82 degree 30 minutes east. Sixth question, what is the time difference between IST and GMT? What is the time difference between IST and GMT? IST is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Section D, short answer type questions. First question, what is the importance of Tropic of Capricorn? What is the importance of Tropic of Capricorn? Answer, the Tropic of Capricorn is situated at an angular distance of 23.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. The sun shines vertically overhead on 22nd December for this tropic. Second question, name the hottest and coldest heat zones. Answer, the torrid zone is the hottest zone of the world. The sun at noon shines vertically over this part of the earth. The frigid zone is the coldest part of the earth where the sun's rays are very slanting. Third question, how can we locate places on earth's surface? Answer, a place on the earth is located with reference to imaginary lines, parallels and meridians, also termed as latitudes and longitudes. The intersection of latitude and longitude pinpoints the location of a place on the earth. For example, Delhi is located at 28 degree 30 minutes north and 77 degree 12 minutes east. Fourth question, what is the importance of Tropic of Cancer? The Tropic of Cancer is situated at an angular distance of 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. The sun shines vertically overhead on 21st June. It is very hot in summer season. Fifth question. If the time at a place A 10 n 5 e means north and east is 10 am, what will be the time at place B 30 north 75 east? Show your calculations. Solution. Earth rotates 1 degree longitude in 4 minutes. Difference in longitudes of A and B is equal to 75 minus 5, that is 70 degrees. Time difference is equal to 4 into 70, that is 280 minutes. 280 minutes is nothing but 4 hours 40 minutes. Place B will have a time ahead of A. Therefore, 10 am plus 4 hours 40 minutes is equal to 2:40 pm or 20 minutes to 3. Section E, long answer type questions. First one, explain the heat zones of the earth with the help of a diagram. The heat zones of the earth are shown in the diagram. The heat zones are of 3 types. First one, the heat or the torrid zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, and the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south. It is the hottest one of the world. Torrid zone is the hottest one of the world. This zone experiences vertical rays of the midday sun at least once a year. Temperatures are high throughout the year with very little difference between summer and winter. Second, the temperate zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle is in the southern hemisphere. The sun is never overhead in this zone. It is neither very hot nor very cold. Third one is the frigid zone. It lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole, is in the northern hemisphere, and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. It is the coldest zone of the earth where the sun rays are very slanting. Here the summers are short and cold while the winters are extremely cold. Second question, differentiate between latitude and longitude. The parallels of latitude are drawn in between the two poles and are parallel to the equator, while the meridian of longitude are drawn joining the North Pole to South Pole. The parallels of latitude are drawn in the east-west direction, while the meridians of longitude are drawn in the north-south direction. The parallels of latitude are not equal in size, while the meridians of longitude are always equal in size. The parallels of latitude are 181 and the meridians of longitude are 316 number. Third question, describe the importance of latitudes and longitudes. Describe the importance of latitudes and longitudes. Answer. Importance of latitudes. Latitude help us to determine location of places and their relative distances. Latitude help us to demarcate the earth into heat zones based on similar temperature conditions between the latitudes. These help us to form an idea about the climate, vegetation and wildlife at any place. The importance of longitudes. Longitude help us to easily calculate the local time. Longitude help us to easily calculate the local time of a place. We can find out the location of any particular place or city on the globe and a map by knowing its latitude and longitude. Fourth question. Explain various characteristics of latitudes and longitudes. Explain various characteristics of latitudes and longitudes. Characteristics of latitude. Latitudes are also known as parallels as their circles are parallel to the equator. The distance between two parallels is approximately 111 km. The equator is the largest parallel latitude. Their circumference decreases gradually from the equator to the poles. So these are the characteristics of latitude. Now characteristics of longitudes. First one, all meridians are half circles because they join the north and south poles. Second one, prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Third, meridians are not parallel to each other like latitudes. The meridians are equidistant to each other. Fifth question, differentiate between local time and standard time, giving suitable examples. Difference between local and standard time. When the midday sun at a place is at the highest point, the local time of that place is 12 noon. Local time is calculated by the shadow cast by the sun. The local time of a particular or rather a central place is adopted as the uniform time for the whole country or part of a country. It is called the standard time. In India, the local time of 82° 30' east longitude is used as the standard time for the whole country. Many countries have more than one standard time. So this is the difference between local and standard time. Thank you for watching the video. Like it and please subscribe my channel.